Hello everyone, welcome back. Today, another exciting video, like I say every single time. This one is super exciting though. This is something that I let go a long time ago because, well, to be honest, I liked it a lot and I didn't want to mess it up for the resale value. And so I sold it, got rid of it. But then I had one come up that was at such a low price and, as far as I can tell, in good condition that I couldn't let it go. So had to pick it up this time. I'll talk more about the price I picked this up for and like everything about it here in just a moment. But let's just bust right into it. Big thanks to you guys on my last video. Right as of right now, I'm recording this on Saturday 25th. It is at like 2.3 thousand views and like 60 some likes. So I am really super appreciative of that. I mean, huge thanks. Huge thanks. Man, this guy did a good job of packaging this. Jeez. Okay. Well, there we go. But yeah, big thanks for that. If you enjoy content like this, please like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. But yeah, let's break right into it. Here we go. It's only fitting that I am unboxing this with a titanium frame lock, because that's what this is. I mean, you've seen the thumbnail and the title and all that, so you already know which knife it is. But, wow, big ups to this guy for the way he packaged it. There we go. Oh, yeah. If this is seriously the... Okay, there's a few scuffs on it, a few things. Let's, so yeah, okay, let's talk about it. The ZT-0562 Titanium. Now, here's the crazy part about this. This cost me $135. Wow. For ZT in this shape. Now, you know, I haven't looked it over, not sure everything about it. You know, we'll check it out and make sure everything's good. But for $135, these, I think, retail at $250. That is such an incredible deal that I could not pass it up. And so, let's just check it out. Oh my goodness. I miss this knife so much. Oh, I regretted selling it. I regretted getting rid of it. Oh man, this is so sweet. So you can see it's got a couple scuffs right there and maybe a couple scratches on the handle. No real damage on the blade. The edge is pretty nice. Let's see the action. Ooh. Wow. No blade play, and that's how smooth it is. Holy cow. Boy, that's nice. Oh, yeah. So, for the price I paid for this one, I doubt I'll be babying it as much as I did the other one. This is a ZT-0562. It is titanium handles, 20 CV blade, Rick Hendrer design. Boy, it's a really well built. Probably I don't know if I'd say, well, I'll say it, probably the best ZT ever made. I'm not sure though. But man, this thing is, blade stops are not really thumb studs, but oh, wow, that's so nice. So yeah, the ergonomics on this bad boy are awesome, incredible ergonomics. As you can tell, amazing action, just absolutely killer. And yeah, this thing doesn't look like it's been used absolutely to death. The hardware might be a little rubbed and a little faded, but, you know, this thing overall is a pretty good-looking knife, and especially a good modification platform. Just like this one, I bought this Kaiser Gemini, I think for $130. No, I traded it, but it was for like $120. Oh, sorry. Excuse me. But for like $120, I traded for this Gemini. And both of these knives are kind of the same premise. Titanium handles. This is S35N. Chinese made. This is American made. But yeah, I really like these two. They're good modification platforms for, you know, like anodizing or the satin blade. This one's real beat up, and it would be good for, you know, stone washing the blade, acid etching, stone washing the blade. But yeah, man, this 0562. Now, this is just an unboxing and kind of an overview. This is not a review. Full review will come down the road, I'm hoping. But yes, oh man, for the price, I cannot complain. Not like no huge amounts of damage, no real issues with it. The action's good. No, like, well, just actually a little bit of pivot lash. But maybe I'm just imagining it. I don't think so. No up and down, no left and right. And the action on it is stupendous. Wow. This is, I think, a great all-around work knife. Like, food prep, not really, but, you know, any kind of job you have, any kind of task at hand, you can food prep with it. I mean, it's not the worst ever for that. But I'm just rambling on at this point. This is a great little knife. I'm so glad I found it for the price I did. If you are able to find one of these for $200 or less in good shape, absolutely pick it up. One of the better knives that ZT has made. Quite frankly, I've heard that, now I've never really handled a hinderer, but I've heard that it's, back in the day, was a better hinderer than hinderer made. So that's pretty impressive. Pretty happy with it. So yeah, just keep your eye out for knife deals. They're out there definitely, but wow, for the price, I think I got out of this one pretty good. So thanks again for watching. If you enjoyed, please hit like. Please subscribe to my channel for more content like this. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.